Hi, this is Anna with WTI, and this little gadget, the ultrasonic cleaning machine, it's my new best friend. If you're anything like me, and I love all kinds of sparkle, this ultrasonic cleaning machine just brings all my jewelry back to life. I am one of those people that use my jewelry all the time. I don't take it off to wash my hands. I don't take it off for anything. I have them always on. So this little machine, the ultrasonic cleaning machine, it is absolutely hands down the best thing I could have ever gotten. It just deep cleans all my jewelry with no chemicals, just water. But the best part, it's not only for jewelry. You can use it with reading glasses. You can use it with regular glasses. Even for my little guy who always has his blue light glasses on. So if you're like me and loves the sparkle, or just to have things truly, truly clean, this ultrasonic cleaning machine is by far a necessity in your life. And that's my point of view.